Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today, I'm showing you how to buy Trump coin on PancakeSwap in 2025. If you're diving into a decentralized exchange, this guide will help you navigate the process step by step. So, let's dive in. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first of all, make sure to go ahead and open PancakeSwap by going to your browser and opening PancakeSwap Exchange. This website should be opened very easily. Now, PancakeSwap is basically a platform where you can literally exchange or swap between cryptocurrencies from one into another. For example, I do have USDT, I can turn it into Bitcoin and vice versa. Now, this PancakeSwap is basically has its own network, but well, it's not really a network. Well, it has different networks, so you have to know which network is suitable for you. For example, if you had BNB in the BNB chain, then you should go with BNB chain. If you had Ethereum or USDT in the Ethereum network, then you should choose the Ethereum, and so go on with the others. Now, let's connect a wallet to the exchange. There are several wallets that we can connect in here. One of them is MetaMask, there is Trust Wallet, OKX Wallet, Binance Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Wallet Connect, Opera Wallet, Brave Wallet, and there is even more that you can choose from. Let's choose, for example, a MetaMask wallet. This will do is basically ask us to download each one of these wallets. Because I don't have it, I will have to download it. So this is how you can download any wallet real quick. Click on install. This will take you to a whole new page where you have to download it as an extension in your browser. Make sure that it's suitable for your browser and it helps and supports your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, so that's perfect for me. Once I have downloaded the wallet, the next thing to do is basically to pick it up and make sure that it is added in here. So it's not fully downloaded, so I'm simply gonna wait a little bit, and here it is. It has been opened successfully. Now what I have next to do is to simply click here, create a new wallet, this, and I agree, and simply now I'm just gonna go ahead and write a password. So let's do this real quick. Paste it right here as well, and click I understand and create a new wallet. Remind me later, skip, and here we are. So the wallet has been created, and now we are simply added into we have to add it into here. So let's connect the wallet, choose MetaMask, and it should be opened right here. Let me just refresh real quick and ping this here, open it. Alright, perfect. So connect wallet, choose MetaMask, and now it will be opened, connect, and it's gonna be perfect. So here we go. Now the wallet has been connected. Let's go ahead and start the method of how we can actually get into PancakeSwap and trade any cryptocurrency that we have into the Trump. Well, first of all, we need to check if they do have or support Trump currency by clicking on any one of these and simply search here in this large list. Of course, it's too large, so we're gonna type in here and search for Trump, and here I think there is several ones, but as you can see, none of them is the token that we are looking for. Now, some of you may think that one of them is the one that we are looking for, but no, all of them are fake tokens. The real token that we are looking for is called official Trump. It's like that, official Trump. Going Geeko. Here it is. So this is official Trump token, and this is like all the information is about it, so you will not miss it. Now, as you can see, the token is actually listed on the Solana network, so after we have chosen to connect with BNB chain, this is not very supportive, so we have to switch into Solana network. Unfortunately, as you can see in here, the PancakeSwap doesn't really support the Solana network. They only support BNB, Ethereum, Polygon, and Arbitrum, Linea, Base, or BNB in Aptos. So none of these are the ones that we are looking for. That is why it's very unlikely to find it in here. Now there is other things that you could do, which is basically doing a third-party app. Not really a third party, but taking the longest road. It's simple. Go ahead and trade the BNB that you have or whatever token that you have into Solana. So Solana is 100% gonna be found in here. So simply just buy whatever number you want of Solana. Then after you receive the Solana cryptocurrency in your wallet, which is going to be directly switched in your wallet as well. So here, for example, I want 100 BNB. This is how many Solanas you're gonna get, 276 of Solanas. So once you receive it in here, you are simply gonna go ahead and create a new account, and this should be the new Ethereum account. This, as you can see, you have new Ethereum account. So here on the settings, you can actually find the networks. So here, make sure to simply advanced, and literally you can add a whole network in your account. So it's simple, nothing is really that hard about it. Let's name it account number 2, and literally in here you can find and edit your account and basically create an account that is supported by the Solana network. So this is something that you have to take in consideration. Once you get the access to the Solana network, or basically just use another wallet that is supported by the Solana network, you can swap and send the Solana that you have in here into the Solana network, and that will obviously take a little bit of time, since it's two different networks, and at the same time it will require a little bit more fees than usual, since different networks are also like something like they need more fees and they need more time to actually adjust and send the tokens and the cryptocurrency between them. So this is the only way that you can actually get the trump with it. So once you get the Solana that you bought and that you swapped in here into your other wallet that is on the Solana network, then obviously you could go on any other exchange that supports Solana network and basically swap the Solana the same way. Every exchange has the same UI, so you will not find any problems. Just choose here from Solana. So let's do this real quick. Solana. So here we go, and to choose the Trump token that you want. As we said, make sure to check the price, check the token address. Here it is, the address on the Solana network, so this is something could help you a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.